Here are 5 reasons Pluto became forgettable to many people, especially after it stopped being called a full planet. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union officially changed Pluto's status from a full planet to a dwarf planet. This decision caused a big shift in how Pluto was taught and discussed. Once it was no longer counted among the main planets, many schools reduced how much time they spent on it, and public interest slowly faded. Losing its planet title made Pluto feel less important to many people, even though it didn't physically change at all. Pluto is much smaller than the 8 recognized planets, and is even smaller than Earth's moon. When people imagine planets, they usually think of large, powerful objects like Jupiter or Saturn. Because Pluto is tiny and icy, it doesn't stand out as much. Its small size makes it seem less impressive and easier to forget when compared to the massive planets closer to the Sun. Pluto orbits far beyond Neptune in a distant region called the Kuiper Belt. Because it is so far away, it appears very faint and is difficult to observe with telescopes. This distance means scientists rarely get new images or data, so Pluto doesn't appear often in space news. Objects that are closer to Earth naturally get more attention, making Pluto easier to overlook. One major reason Pluto lost its planet status is that it has not cleared its orbital path of other objects. Instead of dominating its orbit, like the other planets, Pluto shares its space with many similar icy bodies. Scientists realized that Pluto was just one of many objects in the Kuiper Belt, not a unique case. This made it less special in classification terms, and contributed to it being grouped with other dwarf planets. Most space missions, movies, and school lessons focus on planets like Mars, which might support life, or giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Pluto does not play a big role in stories about space exploration. Aside from NASA's New Horizons mission in 2015, it has received little attention. Without frequent mentions or missions, Pluto slowly faded from the spotlight for the general public.